Hi guys, what's going on? It's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. In this video, I'm just going to show you how to make warped text in Photopea. So this is how to make your text sort of curved, or if you want to bend it or make it spirally, things like that really. So if this video does help you out today, then please leave a like and drop a comment below. And if you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more step-by-step tutorials, how-tos and tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. So what you're going to need to do, if I come across to Photopea, so I've got a canvas set up ready, and obviously the first thing you want to do is add your text onto that. So you want to come to this menu on the left hand side and then click onto the T, which is actually the type tool, and then you just want to click anywhere on the canvas to place your text like so. And then you can move it about, and to actually warp the text, what you're going to want to do is just hold Control and press A whilst you've got the text selected, just so you highlight all the text. And then if you look at the top of the page, you've actually got this option here which says warp, so go and give that a click. And then from here, what you're going to want to do is next to style, you want to give this a click. And you can see you've got all different types of styles which you can go for. So you've got arc, for example, which is going to curve your text. And you can obviously play about with this further by moving these bars at the bottom. But yeah, there's a lot of different things you can do on here. You've got bulge, which makes it kind of like bulge out like this. Like so. You've got like a fish shape. And again, you can play with these bars to over, you know, sort of increase or decrease the effect more. But yeah, that's pretty much how you do it. So that's how you warp the text on Photopea. I hope you did find that helpful. If that did help, then please leave a like and drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you do want to help support the Digital Tutor channel, there is a link in the video description down below. If you go and give that a click, you'll be able to buy the team here a cup of coffee. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.